friends, welcome back to Healthy Kadai. Today we are making a winter special dish usually called as Thand ka Paratha. Yes, you guessed it right. We are making Jaggery Paratha today. We have given a crunchy twist to Jaggery Paratha by adding peanuts and sesame seeds, which is til. So let's see how to prepare this very yummy and delicious Gud ka Paratha.
First we'll prepare dough for our paratha. For this I'll take 1 cup of whole wheat flour or atta. Into this we'll add a pinch of salt. Next we'll add half a teaspoon of Desi ghee, and now we have to knead a soft dough. You can see the dough is nice and soft. We'll allow it to rest it for some time. Next we'll prepare stuffing for our paratha. For this we need half a cup of roasted peanuts. In winters we generally get roasted nuts like this, so you can simply peel it and then remove the peel of the peanuts and we can use it. However, if these groundnuts are not available, then you can simply take raw peanuts and dry roast it in a pan. Just roast it lightly on low-medium flame so that the nuts get crispy enough. Next we need to roughly crush these peanuts. We'll take a mixer grinder jar. Into this we'll add up peanuts, and now we need to pulse it and roughly grind it. So here I have crushed peanuts with me. Now in order to make stuffing, I have this half a cup of grated jaggery. I have taken this jaggery piece, but if it is not available, then you can even use jaggery powder to prepare this stuffing. Now we'll combine grated jaggery with crushed peanuts. Into this we'll add half a teaspoon of crushed cardamom powder for the flavor, and also I'm adding half a teaspoon of sesame seeds or til. Combine everything well. We usually consume jaggery after meals, so if you do not want to have jaggery directly, then you can prepare this stuffing and prepare jaggery paratha after meals and consume it. So here is our stuffing ready. We'll transfer it in a bowl. Friends, so our dough is ready and the stuffing is ready. Let's prepare paratha. For this, firstly we'll divide the dough in small balls. Do not make big size paratha, make small parathas. We'll take a small portion of the dough, then we'll sprinkle little dry flour and we'll roll it out just like roti. We'll keep stuffing in the center. Do not overstuff it. The stuffing should be enough to eat for one person. And we'll pinch the stuffing like this. Give it a little shape. Do not make big size paratha. Make small parathas like this. Now I will take little more dried flour and with a light hand roll it using a rolling pin. This will actually look like small kachoris which we make, and that's about it. You can see the size of the paratha, it's quite small. And now in a similar manner we'll prepare all other good paratha and then we'll cook it. Now we have heated a non-stick tawa. You can take a normal tawa also, and we'll just put this one paratha on it. I've also sprinkled little sesame seeds on the top of the paratha to make it more attractive. Keep the flame on low-medium side. Smear little oil on it. You can even cook these parathas with Desi ghee. These paratha turn out really very tasty. If you have sweet tooth, then you will truly love this paratha. Just cook the paratha from both the sides. Flip it over. These look like kachoris, but the sweet ones. And here is our first paratha ready. Likewise, we'll cook other parathas. So after meals, if you want to have something sweet, then this paratha is just perfect. Simply prepare the stuffing in advance. If you have extra stuffing left, then store that stuffing in an airtight container. And whenever you want to prepare this paratha, just use that stuffing. Friends, let me cut one paratha and I will show you the inside. Because we have added peanuts here, it will give very crunchy taste to the paratha. And just look at this. Jaggery has completely melted and you can see crunchy peanuts along with very healthy sesame seeds. If you like gajak, which is made up of gur and peanuts, then you will truly love this paratha too. And in this manner, you can prepare good paratha at home very easily. You will truly relish this paratha. It tastes really tasty. So friends, you should definitely try this paratha once. I'm sure you will really like it.
I hope you liked watching today's video. Please give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.